Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is LouAnn and welcome to my kitchen, my pantry room. That is what we're standing in. But this is an announcement for fall into baking. So get all those baking recipes, cakes, pies, cookies, breads, whatever, anything that you can put in the oven to bake. I will consider a roasting pan as well. If you got a big roaster, you're gonna roast things in there as well because you can bake in there. Um, and bread machine recipes, um, all kinds of different baking things that you can make. My schedule, you don't have to do this, but for the month of September, that is when fall into baking begins, all the way to December the 31st. And my plan is to do at least one recipe of my theme for that month for fall into baking. The month of September, the month the month of September, my plan is to make at least one cake recipe a month. So in October, it's all about pumpkin. So I'm going to try to find at least 4 recipes using pumpkin baking other than pumpkin pie. The month of November is pies and things I could bake for the Thanksgiving feast. And of course, the month of December is Cookie December, at least from December the 1st to December the 24th. So we got fall into baking, September the 1st through December the 31st. Pie November, which will be co-hosted by me and my other channel. Just tag one of us. It don't matter which one for the whole month of November. Um, and I'm planning on at least making a pie a month. I mean, not a month. A pie a week. Sorry about that. I'm gonna leave that in there. Um, and for Cookie December, my plan is to at least on this channel make one cookie a month. There I go again. One cookie a week. Um, so at least until December the 24th. And then after that, that last week of December, I don't know. I'm going to have to find a baking recipe that has nothing to do with cookies, or maybe make a whole week of breads. That may work. Um, may do that for the month of the last week of August. A whole week of breads. That would be very interesting. And just a kickoff for fall into baking. And of course, the bread recipes will be on Saturdays. So that is an announcement for fall into baking. So get those baking recipes out. And remember, you don't have to make cakes in September. You don't have to make anything pumpkin in October. But I do request for month of November to make pies and month of December to make cookies. Now, if we're in the last week of November and you want to make a cookie, that's fine. I will just put it in the Cookie December playlist, just a FYI. So that is it for today. So see y'all later and God bless.